My people, the matter where they trend now, now about this entrepreneur Obi Cubana, I know most of them know. When they try to celebrate in Mama burial for inside Anambra State, hey, this matter they hot. In fact, this thing they really hot. Often I see the numerous cow. I be the numerous cow where they gather contribution where they give this man. Oh, now could the one that say, he passed like this. In fact, before people they get to say now only 46 cows this man don't get. But for now, we don't even gather say this cow don't pass 300. He don't pass on top of burial, small burial where person won't do. I beg go be the people who want chop this one because me I suppose don't they gather my back where they go this kind party. Even containers of drink don't. In fact, that one if na see money battling, people carry money they battle there. It means that people get money inside this Nigeria. They just they pretend money they wear. They people know where this thing take. My people back. If na see the celebration, they make na follow me watch.
We're still here.
Are we going to take this?
I'm telling you, how can I lot you? We're outside. 46 years.
Even if one.
Does it be low? Obola Yankee, Makonye, my chairman. Huh?
What's the one where I could see the idea?
Money. I beg you when they find your boyfriend or be your girlfriend, just know your boyfriend don't go hustle. I be your girlfriend don't go hustle for inside Anambra State for back for there. Because if you like saying idea this thing they hot. But I beg and wax. Now inside this entertainment, now these people they see this money. I be they get another work where they do. Where they take see this kind because this kind of money plenty. This one appear intimidation, no? Before person go carry one cow, you kill one cow, say they go see you say you be big man. You feel even brag, wear clothes, we get shoulder part, higher your waist. Do like say you get now. Person don't break record. In fact, the table don't turn. It don't turn for people because I know sure say for record, person don't carry this amount of cows. Say you want to do party. Carry container of things, say just because of party. Hey! It means that people get Anambra people. I'm not even talking to Igbo people. Anambra people, I beg go on and they see this money. I beg Oga Obi, be on a cow business, you go start. I beg you go just join the Fulani headsmen. Because this one, the thing don't too much. I don't know where even hustle than this cow put. Be on a compound, you go rent or be na where you won't go rent, go put in this thing. Even then the caterers of where you go cook this thing, they go tire. They go walk tired because this one, na big thing. But I beg, upon all where they happen, what are the reason? Person circle, now be person success. If they follow big people, this one, not be this man buy them discount. Now people now donate this thing, give them. Maybe because this one, they always turn up for person. If you get this one, in go give. I was saying that all this one join, I make they can't give this man this thing. But you will be saying, when they follow bricklayer, be somebody, your party, I was saying pure water, now they go come donate for you. So in fact, they know the kind of person where they follow. Know who you they follow, know your train well. But I beg go this whole thing, I sure say EFCC, they go on they put eye on top people who donate all this kind of thing. They go on they took eye on top of them because as now they finish this part, I sure say they go the reason and say, where I wanna see all this kind of money. But I beg on top of this bed, I hope say when this mama they alive, on I celebrate her like this, on they give her well, on they treat her well. Nobody want to be say mama go there 2 days, she never see food chop. Now she don't contact and I won't control this kind of big party will be say if she even dare heaven or hell, she don't go even know herself saying that they do anything for them. But make another reason I'm because some people now their eye don't white. They're going to even say because of this money they won't go do blood money. On a day on our own. Or you're now on a day if they go catch on a now on our own problem. Because all this one I say and say, fine, if he intimidate you. But you will not get, not be everybody go blow at the same time. Everybody gets in time. So they your own limit, they hustle your own hustle. No go they do big eyes. Say the kind of money where people they spray for this place. You self, you won't come go there. Go cut soap, go do dorime. Say because of that one now, you won't turn billionaire. The time where your pockets go even dry. The time where bad boys go happen for your life, now only you now go there, they reason all this kind of thing. But I hope say this celebration, it go end in peace because we know say this Anambra State and all these kind of places. Now there bandits now they attack. We no one come here say they don't kidnap one person, and one person don't lose. Make we hear this as they celebrate, and so make the celebration safe end in peace. Make no wahala post. My people, I beg I hear this one. I want to make I bring and come, make na self is na ear. Hear what they happen. Anything in our film, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Armed robbers just attack Salami Rotimi, this Yoruba actor where they act film. And as we gather them, they attack him inside my two. In fact, as I hear my two, I'm surprised. Oga beg, wait till you find enter my two. Because boys when they that place, they know they smile at all. You see my two, you see Orile, those boys where they there, now there be armed robber, their base. Now there armed robber, they sleep for. So I can't surprise say, what did this man find enter this side? The man talks say, he go somewhere, I don't know where he go. So inside traffic, inside that my two there, now there 4 boys just gather am. Say in fact they threaten themselves, say they won't shoot them. Before he go see, they don't carry their gun. They break in car glass. Before he go see, they don't collect things from your hand. Now wow, boys for this side, it just be like say their own vision, now to the thief person. But this ones I can't even say maybe because they notice say na celebrity. And all this one join, I made the contest. They won't go rob. My people, don't be smart. Make na use na eye. See for yourself.
Man, guys, I just got robbed like an hour ago. I just got robbed along my two. I think somewhere around Free Niger in the traffic. And the guys they used gun to break my glass. So I swear on man. Crazy. Collected one phone before some other guys came out and started screaming.
In fact, these guys supposed just go, they thank God. Say then these people never even kill him. Because I sure say they notice him be celebrity, they can't go ask them for something where you no can go give them. They feel even use that vexation. Say, how come celebrity will be saying a big person, you no can get money, but you no get something to give. They would just use that vex, kill them. But I beg boys for that area, you when they move that area, you suppose they very careful. Because especially for nights, that area no even they safe at all. Thieves where they there, now they plan their whole different things. And aside down the whole trailer where they park put for that road, it no go even make you know who be thief, who be normal person. You feel just dead there, say you they pass, but people get mind. See person they rob when you know say traffic, the people food they honestly get mind against stick on the rob. But now God save this guy because if say then those boys no come outside. In fact, I sure say they don't collect more than even that phone when they talk about. But I beg hope say you don't go call your bank manager. May they help you block that your line. If not, then these boys they go squeeze all your accounts dry. In fact, 5 naira, you know go even see inside your account. And I think say recently, Governor Sanwo he just catch some armed robber inside Ojota where they were even rob for daylight time. It may say that these boys they don't gather morale, they don't even ready. So people where they come out make they careful. See places like Free Niger, Agboju, and Vokes. If you did that side, if you know they careful. Behind a pepper spray, you go carry your own red pepper, mix them with water, hold them for and as you want they drum. But hold something, they very careful for that route because that route you know even they safe at all. Traffic one go kill you. Then people who even they inside the traffic, the armed robber self go come join, come kill. What they happen? This whole thing, don't they tire people? But this guy just go they thank God. Me, I thank God for his life. Say nothing happened to them. My people, I hear this one. I can't make a bring and come. Make a say, isn't here? Here, waiting they happen. Anything when I feel about this whole matter, what I just talk now. Make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video.